next little bit of technique I want to talk to you about is something called a temps lié. And temps liés combine pliés with tendus. And there's a shifting of weight involved in temps liés, and they're very much used in the marching band world. All right, so we're going to do temps liés to the side. So I'm going to put my hands on the hips again, and I'm going to start with a tendu to the right. Okay, now when I'm using a temps lié, I'm going to have to go a little bit more open with my tendu than that angle that if you watched my tendu technique video, I talked about a tendu to the side is more your second position versus a flat. But when you're going to do a temps lié, and you'll see why in a second, you're going to want to open it up more to the side, okay? So I'm going to tendu. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to step into a second position plié. Right, this is why I needed it to be to the side. Otherwise, I'm going to kind of be in this funky, weird alignment, okay? So we go side into a plie, then we're going to shift our weight onto our right foot, and now we're in a tendu on this side, and we close it. Then we're going to go back, side, plie, side, close. So this is a temps lié, and again, temps liés, you can make them sharp and staccato if that is what the music is doing and you want to make that choreography, but as you're learning the technique, it's best to make it nice and smooth. So tendu, tendu, plie, plie, tendu, tendu, close, close. Tendu, tendu, plie, plie, versus tendu, plie, tendu, and close. Tendu, plie. So that looks kind of forced instead of fluid. All right, so that's tendus and pliés to the side, temps liés to the side. You can also do them front and back. And this is why we added fourth position pliés into our technique block, because we learned last year when we tried to do temps liés to the front in our band, the kids had no idea how to plie in fourth position. We got all kinds of funkiness. So that's why fourth position pliés have become important to us. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to start in second, we're going to start in first, hands on the hips. You're going to do a front tendu with the right foot. You're going to go into a fourth plie. Okay, so I'm just going to push this heel forward as I plie. And I talked about that in my plie video, right? The tendency for kids is to just kind of be comfortable, right? And lazy a little bit. So you've got to push that heel forward so you have that nice turnout, this nice diamond shape in the legs. Now I'm going to push my weight up onto my front foot. I'm going to tendu my back foot, and I'm going to close in first. Then that foot that just closed is going to go backwards. Back, keep those hips shining forward, plie and fourth, push and shift your weight back, and close. Then I'm going to switch feet. So now my left foot comes forward, plie and fourth, maintaining good alignment, shift your weight forward and close, back, plie, forward, and close. Okay, so all together it would look like this. 5, 6, 7, and tendu, plie, tendu, and close. Other side, tendu, plie, tendu. Now we go front and forward, tendu, plie, shift the weight and close, back, plie, shift the weight and switch feet, front, plie, tendu, and close, tendu, plie, tendu, and close. So those are temps liés. They're a great little bit of vocabulary to have. They're great to use in ballads, and a great way for your horn line members to become expressive movers.